Hey, what's up guys? So I've been working on making an LED sign and I've been doing a lot of soldering. I got this contraption to help me hold all the wires together so I didn't have to try to figure out what to do with my hands and all of the pieces. Just quickly show you how it works. So this is a strip of LED light that I've been working on, working with to make my sign. So what I've been doing is using these clips here. So just open them up. And they're like rubber dipped, rubber coated on there so they don't damage your wire or whatever you put in there. You open it up and you just clamp it in. And one thing that I thought is cool, if you can see it right now, see these clips will swivel. If you want it to stay still, you can tighten up this screw, kind of a lock screw basically there, so you can let it go and it won't swivel. Then if you loosen it up again, you'll see it start to fall back. So you can see, I'll tip it forward, tighten it up, and then what I'm gonna do in a minute is actually solder these wires to here. So I'm not gonna show you the soldering, just showing you how to hook it up or how I use this. But, so just take your wire and you put it in like one of the other clips, and then you can just move these and kind of get them positioned in a way that works good for you, right? So these have little copper pads with solder, little pre-solder pads on them. So I'm just going to end up positioning these, then I'll grab my soldering iron and then I'll come back, and when I have them all set up where I want them, I'll just tack them in there and it'll be done. That simple.